Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos on Tuesday 15th of May. Looking at cable now, which has just had the UK earnings growth numbers out. Actually came in line with expectations. At ex-bonus wages improving to 2.9%, and considering CPI is sort of around about 2.7%, that means that you are getting real wage growth, which is a positive finally in the UK. And unemployment sticking at 4.2%. Not a great deal of movement on sterling, about 10-15 pips up from that data release, and you can see that the market still continues to hang in this consolidation band, around about 160 pips of band, that 160 pip sort of range coming through the high to low pretty much of the Bank of England day. So you've been in that range for about 7 sessions now, and it's showing no real signs of breaking out of that range, and momentum indicators have sort of stabilised a bit, I suppose. But I mean, there is the prospect of a possible rally, but that was sort of nipped in the bud a little bit yesterday. 36 figure looked at again, the market failing around that level and rolling lower, sort of 50, 60 pips back from that level now. You have subsequently also broken a recovery trend that had been forming. 36.15 is basically a base pattern. If it breaks out of that to the upside, it would complete that base pattern. You'd project that higher of around about, as I said, about 160 pips of base, and then you'd sort of start to think about a recovery. But for now, certainly the momentum indicators on the hourly chart are not showing you anything whatsoever, and sort of rolling over again yesterday doesn't really suggest that we are going to be breaking higher anytime soon. You got US retail sales data today, so any sort of positive or negative surprise could well drive a bit of a breakout, and the market is likely to consolidate, I think, in front of that. It doesn't really show too much sign of gaining any traction from that UK data. But yeah, I think for retail sales is the focus now. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later.